I'm Shelly Turner with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to go into the Cheetah Builder, and also we're going to do a quick overview of Cheetah and some of its functionality. So in order to get into Cheetah, all I need to do is go into the BUILDERALL dashboard, and it's this app right here. It's called Cheetah Builder Pixel Perfect Responsive Technology, and it also says that it's in beta. So let's go ahead and click that, and then I'm going to click Enter. So now I'm in the Cheetah Builder dashboard, and there's a couple things I want you to see. The first item is up here at the very top where it says Cheetah MVP. MVP means minimum viable product. So you notice that it said beta when we first jumped in, and now it says MVP. What that means is Cheetah is still being built. So you have a lot of functionality in Cheetah. But if you keep working in Cheetah, you'll see that it will be consistently and constantly improved with new features, new things that are added to it. So you've got the beginnings of what will be an incredible builder in Cheetah, but it will be constantly changing as we continue to add to it and to improve it. Now on the right-hand side, up here in this top right-hand corner, we've got a couple items, including categories, alphabet, created, and a search bar. So let's talk about categories first. We can actually categorize our sites into groups and actually save those websites into those categories so that we can filter our websites faster. So if you click categories, you can create a new category, or you can filter by any category that's created to narrow down the number of sites that are listed on your My Sites page. You can also choose to organize your websites based on the alphabet. You can go in from A to Z or from Z to A. You can also choose to organize your websites based on when you created them, and you can put them in time ascending order or time descending order. And then you've got a search bar, and inside here you can type the beginnings of the name of the website that you're looking for, and then click search. And it can search for even the beginnings of a name. So for example, if I'm looking for social media explosion, I can type in social and then hit search, and it will look for and find that website that has social in it, even though I didn't put the entire name. If I want to go back to the entire list, I just take it all out of the search bar and then click the search icon, and it will bring all of my websites back. The next item is the logout button. Right here in the very top right-hand corner, I can click this little down arrow and I can click logout, and that will log me out of Cheetah without having to go back to the BUILDERALL dashboard. To create a new site in Cheetah, all you have to do is click Create New Site. To look at a website that's already created, you can do a couple things. So in this first website right here, I can click this down arrow and I can choose what I want to do with this website. I can connect a domain. I can go to take a look at the live website if it's published. I can publish it, or I can delete this website. I can also click this link right here, and if this site is published, it will go straight to the website for me, so I can take a look at the live website. I can add a share image. So if I click here, I can choose an image and add it to this area so it has an image of the website for me. And then I can go into edit the website, where I can start to edit the website and make changes to each of the pages. Now let's create a brand new Cheetah website. So I'm going to click Create New Website. And the first thing I need to do is create a title. And then I can enter a description. And once I've put a title and a description in, I can click Save. And now it's created that website, and it's put it at the end of the website list. That's because I have it in time ascending order. If I wanted the newest website to be first, I could go to Created and click Time Descending. And now it's got it listed the very first website because it's in time descending order. Now I'm going to go in and click Edit Website. And there's a few things here I want to show you that are really important. The first thing is that you're looking at your site. So on this page, this is the default page for looking at the number of pages you have in your website. So right now we only have one page that's created in this website, and it's called the home page. We can also go to website settings. If I click there, I can go to the area where I can edit things about the entire site. So here I can change general settings. If I collapse that area, I also have SEO settings and script settings. So let's take a look at each one. On general settings, if I expand that area, I can change the title of the website. I can change the URL. I can change the description of the website. I can also choose to upload a favicon, which are the teeny tiny little icons that appear in the tab of your browser. I can also choose how to separate the page and the layout name. When we talk about the browser window, the tab of the browser typically has the layout name and the page name. But you can choose how you want the layout name and the page name to be separated. So here we can choose the pipe symbol, we can choose a little tilde, or we can choose a dash. If I collapse the general settings area, I can then go to SEO settings. And here I can type in my keywords for my website, and I can type in the meta tags for my website. And then also I can collapse that area and go to script settings. And here I can add any scripts that I have for my entire website. I can add my Facebook pixel. I can add an analytics script like Google Analytics, and then click Save to save those inside of the script settings. So those are the three areas that you can affect for the entire website, is the general settings, SEO settings, and script settings. And now I can go back to my site and take a look at my pages again. So right now the only page I have is the one page that's called the home page. And here I can add an image to share for that page. Meaning if I give the URL of that home page, what image will show if I'm putting that URL in a place like Facebook. So I can add that image there. I can also click this little down arrow and I can affect the settings of that page. I can delete the page or I can duplicate the page. Let's take a look at the settings of this one page, the home page. So I'm going to click settings and you'll see it's really similar to affecting the entire website, except this area is only the page settings. So I have, again, the general area of general settings, and then I also have SEO settings. So let's take a look at general settings. I can change the name of the page. I can identify if this is the initial or home page. If it says yes, that means this page is the home page for this website. I can also affect the name of the page for the URL or address, and then I can change the title of the page and description of the page. And remember that the name, address, title, and description all will affect SEO for that page. I also have an area for page scripts that I can add. And then once I fill out that area, I can collapse it and work on the SEO settings for the page. If I expand that, I can see that I can add keywords here. And then I can also put on a shared image, and it recommends the size that that shared image be. And that allows you to share the link to the page, and it will pull up that shared image. So you just click choose and then choose your image from your digital file repository. And then always remember to click save after you make any changes to this page. And then once I've made any changes that I want to, I can either click save and go back to the page listing, or I can enter the editor for this page. So I'm going to go back to my site. And now I'm back to taking a look at the pages inside my website. So let's review. This area takes me to my site that shows me all of the pages that are in my website. Website settings allows me to change settings for the entire site. And then this last item is back home. This takes me back to the list of my websites that I have available in Cheetah. I can also edit a website by going to my website and choosing Edit Website. And that takes me back to my site where it shows me all the pages in my site. Then I have the same menu. I can change the website settings for the entire website, or I can go back home where all of my websites are built that I have in Cheetah. I have another button here. It's called Edit Items. If I click that area, it takes me to an area where I can edit my pop-ups. So right here, I can create a new pop-up. And when I create that pop-up, I'll be able to use it in my website wherever I want to use it. So if I click Create Pop-up, it asks you for a name, and then click Save. And now here I can edit my pop-up, make any changes that I want to, and then I'll be able to use this pop-up in my website on any page that I want to use it in. To go back to the website list, I just click Cheetah MVP in the top left-hand corner, and that takes me back to all of my websites. So that's a general overview of the Cheetah website builder, and I've shown you how to get into the Cheetah website builder, how to access your site list, how to access each individual website, how to see each page inside the website, and then how to change the general settings across your entire website. Now you're ready to start building something amazing in Cheetah.